Welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. In today's video, I want to teach you how to turn that failure to success. You that is watching me right now, you are doing well before in your business. In your office, people love you, your boss like you, everything was going smoothly, but suddenly everything turned upside down. Your business is no longer moving well. You are now feeding from hand to mouth. In your community, you have been owing a lot of people. You have been in debt. Some of your properties, you have sold them just to make sure you meet up with life. I want you to know that God is about to change that your story today. Okay? If you believe, you drop an amen. Only if you believe. Okay? God is about to change that your story today. A lot of people have been manipulated spiritually. Okay? They have been manipulated. Their business, their work, their career. Before you know it, the person will go down. And the evil ones will be happy, smiling that they have put you down. But I want to make you to understand that God never sleeps. Okay? He knows what he's doing. Okay? So in this video, I will teach you what to do to turn that failure to success. Those people that have been mocking you, those people that have been criticizing you, those people that have been rejoicing because you are no longer doing well, they will be frustrated. Okay? Congratulations will start coming into your life only if you believe. Okay? So make sure you are going to watch this video to the end. Okay? And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon and I share spirituality here in this channel. Okay? So make sure that before you leave this channel, you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay? So that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it. Okay? Make sure you subscribe and God will bless you for doing so. So keep watching this video to the end. Welcome back. Like I was saying, if you know that you are doing well before in your business, in your career, but right now as I'm talking to you, you no longer understand what is going on in your life. Your business is no longer growing. Your business is no longer moving forward. Your boss in your place of work now hates you. Your colleagues are now having issues with you for no reason. You don't understand what is going on in your life. In your community, you have been doing a lot of people hatred. You have sold some of your properties to raise money for yourself. You are now feeding from hand to mouth and you don't know what to do. I want you to know that God has remembered you. For you to see this video today means that God has remembered you. And for God to remember you shows that your stories will change. Okay? Your story will change after watching this video. For you to see this video means that your story will change after watching this video. If you believe, you can drop an amen. Okay? Only if you believe. Okay? Now, for you to turn that failure to success, there are two items that I will introduce to you that you need to use to do spiritual assignment for you to turn that failure to success, for you to turn that mockery, those people that have been mocking you, for you to turn whatever thing that is making them to mock you, for you to turn it around, for them to start saying congratulations, giving testimonies about your life. You need to get these two items, okay? Because it's very, very important, okay? All of them that have been mocking you, that have been saying that you will not amount to anything, that have been gossiping with your name, after doing this, they will start congratulating you. They will start giving testimonies about your life, okay? Now, for you to do this assignment, you need to get two items, okay? Now, the first item is coconut. You need to get coconut. Now, this coconut, the water is what we need. We are not going to use the body, okay? We don't need the body. We only need the water that is inside, okay? And we need this favor powder, okay, for you to start attracting favor, for you to start getting good luck, bringing blessings into your life. You need this favor powder. Okay, now how do you use these two items? We are going to use it on Saturday by 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Saturday, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, take notes, okay? Get a white piece of paper, write your name, okay, on that white piece of paper, then drop it on the ground, okay? Drop that white piece of paper on the ground. Now, open that favor powder, okay? And take a pinch, a little of it like this, okay? And drop on top of that your name, okay? and drop on top of that your name. Now, once that favor powder is on top of that your name, you are going to pray. Okay, leave that pepper on that floor, on that ground, sorry. Leave it on that ground and be praying. Okay, say what you want. Pray towards heaven. Tell God what you want. Okay, now after praying, use your lighter or matches, anyone that you have, light up that white pepper with your name and the powder that is in it. Okay, light it up. Okay, and as that pepper is burning, be claiming good things into your life. Be claiming good things. Be saying favor. You claim all those things that you want to have into your life. Be claiming them. Okay. Now, after doing that on that 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Saturday, that coconut water that you have gotten, use that water and wash your face. Okay. Use that water and wash your face. Now, when washing out your face, you're not going to be saying anything. Just use the water and wash your face. Okay. After washing your face, that is all. Okay. The coconut, you can eat it. Okay. You can eat it. You can give it to anybody. Depends how you want to do it. You can eat it. There is nothing wrong with it. Okay. But that water is what you need. Okay. Use it and wash your face. That's Saturday. Okay. Make sure you do this on Saturday by 12 in the afternoon. Okay. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. And after doing this, you will see how congratulations will start coming into your life. You will see how testimonies will start coming into your life. Okay. If it is somebody that has been using charm to manipulate your life, to manipulate your career, to manipulate your business, to make your business not to be growing, to make your customers run away from that your business, after doing this assignment, they will be frustrated. Those their charm will fail them. Okay. You will start seeing the goodness of God in your life. You will start seeing the blessings of God in your life. If you have faith and if you do this, just like I said it, you will see how the blessings will come into your life. Okay. So make sure you do this on Saturday, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. All right. So if you have any question that you want to ask about this video, you can use the comment section. Okay. If you do not understand any part of the video, use the comment section so that I'll explain it better for you. And if you have not subscribed, but you like my teaching, you like what I do, you are free to hit that subscription button, turn on your notification button also, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person that will see it. Okay. A lot of people are suffering in our society because of evil manipulation, what the enemy has been doing to them. Okay. I have seen a young man that was doing well before in his life, that was doing well before in his business, but today he is suffering because of evil manipulation, because of evil eyes of the enemy in his life. But I thank God that he's now rising. Okay. He's now growing up because God has remembered him. Okay. He's now growing up again. Okay. So make sure you do this spiritual recipe on Saturday. If you have been having this problem that I just mentioned, okay, you should really know that you are doing well before, but suddenly everything turned upside down and you are now suffering. Do this and you will have the testimony. Okay, so make sure you do this and make sure you don't fail to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, my number is on the screen. My number is on the screen. Chat me up on WhatsApp so that we can talk. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up on this video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.